Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In this video I'm gonna show you how to bypass Google Family Link on your Motorola Defy. So firstly you need to open settings, then scroll down, click Google, manage your Google account, choose data and privacy, scroll down and click delete your Google account. Confirm your password here and click next. Scroll down, click yes, I understand. Scroll down again and click yes, yes, and delete account. Cool. Now open your apps menu, and if you will open apps menu you will see that all applications will be successfully unlocked on your device, and now you can delete Parental controls application from your device. So delete Family Link, and cool. Now we can recover our Google account. We need to recover our Google account because it was deleted. So open Play Store and recover your Google account. So enter your email, click next. You will see this message: this account was recently deleted and may be recoverable. Click next to attempt to restore this account. So just click next, enter your password, and click next again. Wait a while and you will see this message. So you need to log in last time. So enter your email last time, enter your password last time. Click next. I agree. Wait a while, scroll down, click accept, and cool, as you can see, Google account was successfully recovered. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, comment this video, and bye. See you.